Hi guys, welcome back to for our Android app development. Now we are going to continue from where we ended in the other time by creating the second page for the user. Now if the user enter his or her password, then press on the login, it will move to the welcome page where there will be a button for the person to make a call, to search for, or to even learn more about the application. So from there, whatever he or she wants to do, the buttons are there for him to be continuing. So we are going to create a link from the login page to the other page. So let's go and continue from that end where we've ended. Now I'm going to open my app. Alright, now this is the application that we are using as usual. This is my login page. When I come to the top here, I'll click on the welcome where I will be having my news button called contact and about. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a link from here to this side. And to do that, we need to go in for our JavaScript. To locate the JavaScript, you need to come to src, which is the source. Then when you click on this arrow down, this column will be open. So when this column open, you just have to choose the main because we are starting from the login. So you double click on the login, then this one will come automatically. Now when it comes, let me clear this activities off so that we'll just start everything afresh with you. So when it comes, you just have to insert in your commands. So I'm clearing this space so that I'll get enough. Alright, so when the JavaScript comes, you search for this name, which is the public classmate main extends activity. So under it is where you'll be inserting your code for. And the code, as you know, we have two tests, then we have two tests and one button. So you have to insert those two tests and one button here before we come here to extract it. Now let's start from here. So you just have to click here, you press enter to get space, then you start with your, always make sure you start with a capital letter, then you press Ctrl plus space to get the full content, then you enter the name, which is the username, comma, then you add in the word, the password. So when you finish, you hit enter, then you go for a button, Ctrl plus space, you will have your button option, you choose it, then you type in the login. So these are the buttons script that we've created for now. Now under this content, which is the set content view, under it you'll be inserting the buttons allocation. Says username equals find view, Ctrl plus F, find view by ID, r.id dot class is what edit test1. So you hit enter. By hitting enter, you need to copy this setup, or you need to copy this code, then you paste it here. Then make changes from this side to password. Then here too, you need to change it to edit test 2 because we have to edit test. Now after changing this edit test, the next one follows by the button. So which is the login. So login equals find view, Ctrl plus space, choose the find view by ID, r.id dot button 1, then you hit your enter to come back. So we are done with this format. Now you can see that there is a red line under it. Now when the red line comes, we need to add something to it. By adding it, you need to type your normal settings. After the typing, the system will detect it and ask you to add a button or add a cast to it. So when the add comes or when the pop-up shows, you need to select the add cast to it. So immediately you will have the button command again from top here. Then the same thing happens to this one. You put the cursor on it, you choose add, you go for the next one, you choose add, then the edit will be in. Now from here we need to set the login to on-click listener. If I say on-click listener, when the person enters his or her password and the username and click on the button should move from login to the next page. So we are going to set the button to a listener, which is login dot set on click. So this one I'll choose set on click into bracket new, control space for on click listener again. Then I will have my listener command area. This is where I'm going to insert in my movement. So what I will do is I need to insert a command. I need to insert a command for it which says move to another page. So what I'm going to do is intent move to another activity. Activity called new intent bracket open main dot this welcome dot class. Then I'll start another command, says start activity into bracket and move to another activity. So these are all the codes that will be needed to run your application from login to the main page. So let me save this from this angle. I'll control plus S to save. Now the code are ready for launching. Now when we check in the import areas, these are additional commands that the JavaScript has imported to it, so that when you type in something, you click in everything, it will function. So this is the basic step for linking a page together. Now let's see how we can run this application. So we save it, and I think we are okay for now. Please.